Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about the hidden impact of discounting on Amazon. Let's get into it. Many Amazon sellers overlook the long-term impact that discounts and pricing decisions have on their profitability. In a highly competitive marketplace where fees continue to rise and margins are increasingly tight, failing to manage pricing strategically can undermine business viability. One common mistake is maintaining a static price point while also offering regular discounts. Sellers often believe their price is fixed and fail to account for how promotions lower the effective sale price. This reduction in revenue often happens while costs remain constant, leading to diminished profitability. Critical cost factors such as Amazon referral fees, FBA fees, and landed costs are either non-negotiable or fixed within certain tiers. As a result, price becomes the primary controllable variable that directly affects the bottom line. Yet many sellers resist adjusting their price upward, fearing a drop in conversions. Additionally, many sellers review only their net sales without isolating the impact of discounts. This leads to inaccurate performance analysis and masks the true operational margin. Without robust financial analysis tools or reporting systems in place, this misalignment can persist for months. In today's climate, business intelligence solutions are becoming essential. Tools like Prophecy help sellers monitor margins, adjust pricing dynamically, and use data-driven algorithms to guide profitability decisions. These platforms evaluate BSR, competition, and conversion data to recommend pricing changes that optimize both visibility and profit. Ignoring such tools or insights could lead to long-term challenges. With recent increases in Amazon fees and shipping rates, many sellers are expected to experience financial strain in the coming months. Sellers who fail to adjust may face a fire sale period where they are forced to liquidate inventory at unsustainable prices. Conversely, sellers who adopt pricing intelligence and restructure their offers stand to benefit significantly, especially heading into Q4. One strategic approach is bundling or adjusting pack sizes. For example, instead of offering individual units, some brands have moved to 3-packs with higher per unit pricing. This reduces the fee per unit ratio and increases margins. Implementing these types of changes can lead to substantial improvements in profitability without necessarily impacting sales volume. Another effective strategy is testing small pricing changes over time. Rather than large jumps, incremental adjustments allow sellers to identify optimal price points while continuing to monitor conversion rates and BSR. Even small increases, such as from $79.95 to $81.20, can significantly enhance profit margins if executed with precision. Finally, it's important to recognize that chasing bestseller badges or top organic positions does not always translate to optimal profitability. Sellers may find that maintaining a slightly lower position with a higher price point results in stronger financial outcomes, even with lower unit sales. In the evolving Amazon landscape, smart pricing and business intelligence are no longer optional. Sellers who prioritize margin control, embrace data, and test proactively will be best positioned to grow sustainably and outperform competitors. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.